In Revit Architecture, in order to place a building in the site topography, you need to place what's called a building pad, so that if my site were flat, as it will be in this model right now, I'd go to my site plan and place say 4 corners at 0, 0, the corners of my site. I'd place them outside the elevation markers, top of surface, 1, 2, just to define a surface. Doesn't matter what shape it is, because your context will be somewhere within the building. Right? So if you go back to a 3D view, you see that there's some surface associated with the site. The next thing, and if I cut a section through anything, I know there's no geometry here, but that doesn't keep me from drawing a section plane. So I'm cutting through an area I know to contain topography. Go select, go to that view. It shows me that it's cutting through a segment of earth, and that's the hatch pattern associated with the earth. Right? So in order for the building to sit inside there, you have to excavate the digital representation of the earth in the same way that you would have to excavate in reality in order to build a house, the foundation of the house. So I would go to a plan view where I know the building is sitting. Let's see, level 1, because we haven't drawn any geometry yet. I'm just gonna go to site, building pad. Building pad brings you into sketch edit mode, as most of these boundary defining architecture elements do. So I'm just going to use the pick tool and go around the perimeter of the building to define the outline of that shape. It's like drawing a floor. Notice it stopped there because the building somehow geometry is missing. And there's enough there that I can now trim and extend those elements there to there. And that's about the shape of my building pad, the shape of the base of the building. If I finish edit and then go back, Shift Control Tab forward, back, forward to, back, Control Tab back to my site. You see my pad has been drawn there, but the elevation of my pad shouldn't be on level 1, should be on level 1B. Right? So that drops neatly into the earth. And if I go to a default 3D view, although it's cluttered with some AutoCAD templates that we brought in, if I turn on like shadows, I can see there's a hole in the ground for my building, and that's what you want. Cheers.